Here's the Honda Accord. Let's go ahead and get started. Now there's a door sensor on each of the four doors. I'm just going to show you the process on the left side door. For the front door, right over there's a sensor. Get a small flathead screwdriver and peel this rubber back, and that's going to show you that one bolt. For that, you can either use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 8mm socket ratchet combination. Either one of them works. I'm just going to use this 8mm socket ratchet combination and get that bolt off. That bolt is the only thing that's holding that sensor in place. So let's go ahead, get it out, and keep it somewhere safe. Do not lose it. This bolt is very important. Now pull the sensor out of the body, and out it comes. There's a long wire, so you'll be able to comfortably pull it out. And now we have to get the electrical connector off. You can either press down right the way I'm showing with my thumb, but if you're not able to do that, just get the screwdriver and press right over there, and then slide the connector off the sensor. Simple sensor. Go ahead, get the new sensor, and then put the electrical connector back on and click it in place to secure it. And when you're putting it back in, it goes in at an angle the way I'm showing. Good. Once it's in place, now you see that little metal threads which are in the body right there, and there's metal on the sensor as well, and there's metal on the bolt. So that bolt is what connects all the metal stuff together and completes the circuit. Without the bolt, the circuit will not be completed and the sensor will not work. So put it in place, make sure it's tightened properly, and put this rubber back in. Repeat the process for the rear one. Exact same process. That's the location right there. No differences whatsoever, except that it's kind of inverted. Like the bolt is above the press switch. Other than that, no differences. Get the bolt off. Same 8mm bolt or a Phillips head screwdriver. Use a screwdriver to get this electrical connector off the sensor. Get the new one. Put the connector back on, and now let's put it back in. See how the bolt is above that press switch? That's about it. That's the only difference. Put the bolt back on and tighten it up. Put this rubber piece back in place, and that's about it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.